Hello friends, students, teachers. I welcome to my channel, Government Ghosh channel. Today we discuss about the sum of two fractions through animation of circles. You can clearly understand the sum of two fractions using the GeoGebra. Now come to the GeoGebra screen. Now I fixing the denominator as a fixed number, say 10. In both cases. Now you see the first. Now you see this diagram is divided into, this circle is divided into 10 parts and this also divided into 10 parts. Now you fix the numerator. So that will be 2 by 10. Likewise you fix the second one also. Do very cautiously. So now you see the first fraction is your 2 by 10. So two sector are colored by green, and second fraction, that is your 4 by 4. So 4 are colored. First fraction 2 by 10. So 2 by 10. So this circle is divided into 10 parts. So we select 2 parts. And the second fraction you see here, that is divided into 10 parts. We select 7 parts. So total will be 9 by 10. So here 2 sectors are occupied or colored. Here 7 sectors are colored. So you see here 9 sectors are colored. If you change the numerator, you say, if you change the numerator here, that is 4 by 10. If you change the in second, so this is, so first one is 4 by 10. So that is 4 sector occupied. In second case, you see that is 3 is occupied. So that is 4 by 10 and 3 by 10. So total 7 by 10. So you see here 7 sector occupied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So very simply you can see the 3 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 7. If you change the denominators, if you change the denominator of the first fraction, say 30. Similarly, change the denominator of second fraction. So in first fraction, so the first circle is divided into 30 parts as the denominator is 30, and you take 4 as 4 is the numerator. In second fraction you see, again you divide the second circle into 30 parts and you took 3. So here 3 sector is colored, here 4 sector. Total the answer is 7 sector is colored. You see, count here. If you change the numerator of the first fraction, say 13 by 30. So you see here the 30 are green, 30 sectors are green. In second case, if you change the numerator, say 11, then you see here 11 sectors are colored with orange. Now you see the final is 24. So in third circle, Third circle, total 24 are color, rest 6 are left. So first fraction is here. The first fraction is here. This is the 13 by 30 and this is 11 by 30 and this one here 24 by 30. So very simple way you can understand. Okay. Next you see, if you change the numerator in separate way, if you change the numerator, one is a 30, other is a 50, 30 and 50, then what numerator of the first circle is 30 and second circle or second fraction into 50. Then what is the LCM of the first and second fraction? So the LCM of the first and second fraction is here 150. So first fraction is 13 by 30, second fraction by 11 by 50. Then what is the LCM? 150. So here you see that is this circle is divided into 30 parts and you took 13 or color 13. So this is 13 by 30. Similarly, the second circle divided into 50 sectors and we took 11. Then combinedly, when you take the add of these two, you see here in the third circle, the total circle is divided into 150 sector. They are very small. And the color is only this part. This part is contains 98 parts. So sum of two fraction equal to another function. So you can easily observe from here. So here this is the first fraction, this is represented by the second fraction and the result is represented by this. Now again you change some extent. What? If you change, so denominator, both denominator is 100. The fraction of both denominator is 100. Then what happens you see? Now you see. You see here. Similarly you change the numerator. So in the first fraction you see the first circle is divided into 100 parts and you took 33. So this 33 by 100 is represented by this shadow region. Similar in the second circle you see you took 31 part. So this part is represented by 31 by 100. Then you add these two. Then what is the answer? You see this 33 part and this 31 parts. So total is here 64 parts shaded here. So you see, if you change the numerator again you see, then another result will come. If you see here this, now you see this is. So in first circle is represented by the fraction 80 by 100. This is 80 by 100. This is. Then plus this part is here represented by 73 by 100. So you see this is 73 by 100. Now you add, then what will be equal? That is 153. So 153 means one complete rotation, then this is the 53 part. Then this is the 53 parts. One complete rotation, 53 parts. So this is here represented by one complete circle and plus this. So likewise you can change the numerator and denominator, then you get the various types of result. Now I want to change the denominator into another form. See here 22 by 58 and second one is similarly you see here. Now you see first this part is represented by 22 by 58 plus this part is represented by 32 by 46. So this circle is divided into 46 sector and we choose as a numerator 32 parts or shader is 32 parts. In first fraction similarly this fraction is divided into 58 parts and we choose this 58 parts. Now, then what will you answer? So you see answer is the LCM is 3, the LCM is 1334. So this circle is divided into 1334 parts. So now you see I am taking two fractions here. What? The 10 by 30. 10 by 30 means this part. And another is here 11 by 22. 11 means half. So the final result is this plus this equal to, you see what happened. So you see here that will be half plus this much. This is your half and plus this is half part, or 11 by 22, and this is your 10 by 30. So the total result is this much. Now see another example. You change the numerator. This is, so you see here. So this fraction is your 10 by 78 plus this is 11 by 85, and this much is your answer is this much. If you take the plus, then same answer will come. Now you change the numerator, then again the answer you will get like this. So you very simple, by GeoGebra you can explain this very simply to the students. Thank you. You all are welcome to my GeoGebra channel, Gauraman Ghosh. Kindly subscribe my channel for more YouTube related with GeoGebra mathematics.